Hello, welcome to the Virtual Unit Preview Unit 6. I am Victoria Bryant. Today we are talking about our science overview, which says students will understand that by looking at any item they can draw inferences about how that item works and why it is used. Scholars will understand that our world is formed in a unique way. This unit is kind of short. It's going over different teaks that we've kind of reviewed, but want to go a little bit deeper into it. We're talking about, again, drawing inferences and evaluate the accuracy of a product claims in advertisements and labels such as toys and food. This is an activity that you could, or a teak that you can definitely expand on, especially with the things that they like to eat. And you can also bundle this with reading because we know STAR is coming up also. We're also talking about represent the natural world using models. We want to make sure that that is exactly what we're doing. We're having the scholars use models to represent these things so that they have a better understanding of when it is being assessed. So we want to make sure that these are the types of questions that we are asking our scholars. In this teak, which was one of our lower teaks during our CA3, is about showing how soil is formed and what is used to form soil, and to make sure that they have an understanding of what that process looks like. Not necessarily just the layers of soil, because that's not what the teak is asking, but how is the soil formed. Humanities, our overview. Scholars will study key influencers in today's society that have helped lead people to better understand the world around us. This unit really talks about celebrations around the world and community celebrations also. So in our resources, I put a couple of lessons that deal with different cultures. Again, you can also pair this with reading during your reading block. It talks about their understanding of what happens in other cultures and being able to identify that. What's going on in our community also. Or so they have to have an understanding of why we celebrate things, when we celebrate them, what do they consist of. And also being able to express their ideas orally. So that means that they are going to have conversations. Turn and talk would be a great idea for this with their peers, because again, that's what the assessment is asking them to do. You can also put it as maybe a project where they have to speak out and present. That would be a great idea. Again, this unit is kind of short. We have 6 weeks, so each teak is covered for 2 weeks. So I would just kind of spread that out and use it pairingly with reading and math in order to make sure that we're touching those other teaks that we need to help with on STAR. Thank you so much and happy planning. Again, please do not hesitate to contact with any questions or comments. There's my email address. Thank you.